Welcome to Ketura's Math Class for Kids, Lesson 6. Today we'll discuss composing and decomposing numbers. Introduction. Composing and decomposing numbers is a way to understand how numbers can be broken down into smaller parts or combined to make larger numbers. Composing numbers. Imagine you have some blocks and each block has a number written on it. Composing means you are putting those blocks together to make a bigger number. For example, if you have a block with number 2 and another block with number 3, when you put them together, you compose them to make number 5. So composing is like adding numbers together to make a bigger one. Decomposing numbers is like taking apart a big number into smaller parts. If you have number 5, you can decompose it into smaller parts. For example, you can decompose 5 into 2 and 3. It means you are breaking down the number into smaller numbers that add up to the original one. Let's do some composing and decomposing. Compose 400, 2 tens and 7 units. What they are asking us to do here is to add up these numbers. 400 plus 20 plus 7. When you add up 400 plus 20 plus 7, you get 427. We're able to compose 427 from 400, 2 tens and 7 units. Decompose 3,925. What they're asking us to do here is to break down the numbers. 3,925. You break it down into 3,920 and 5. You get 3,925. Therefore, decomposing 3,925 is 3,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 5. Can you decompose 125 and also compose 500, 2 tens and 6 units? I'll wait for you to try. When you decompose 125, we get 100 plus 20 plus 5. And when we compose 500, 2 tens and 6 units, we get 526. I hope you got that right. Fun fact: do you know that any number can be composed and decomposed in multiple ways? For example, number 12 can be composed from 6 and 6, 5 and 7, 4 and 8, 3 and 9, 2 and 10, 1 and 11. Also, the same number 12 can be decomposed into 6 and 6, 5 and 7, 4 and 8, 3 and 9, 2 and 10, 1 and 11. Conclusion. Composing and decomposing numbers helps you to break down numbers into smaller parts, making addition, subtraction, multiplication and division easier and faster. It improves your calculation mentally without using paper or calculator. It helps you understand how numbers relate to each other, and it helps you in sharing things. Do you now understand what is meant by composing and decomposing numbers? You have an assignment. Decompose 785, 1363, 2475. Also compose 500, 5 tens and 2 units, 900, 6 tens and 8 units, 3,400, 7 tens and 2 units. I hope to see you in our next class. Bye.